It's that extraordinary mimic, the lyrebird.
With the lyrebird, I particularly love because I have actually heard that going on.
What bird has the most elaborate, the most complex, the most beautiful song in the world? There are lots of contenders, but this bird must be one of them. The superb lyrebird of southern Australia.
To persuade females to come close and admire his plumes, he sings the most complex song he can manage, and he does that by copying the songs of all the other birds he hears around him, such as the kookaburra. It's a very convincing impersonation. Even the original is fooled. He can imitate the calls of at least 20 different species. He also, in his attempt to outsing his rivals, incorporates other sounds that he hears in the forest.
When I first heard the noises, I thought, though, somebody's chopping wood or a car horn's going off. And then it suddenly goes in the middle of it, and I thought, wait a minute, and the kookaburra noise. And I realised what I was hearing was the repertoire of that particular lyrebird.
That was a camera shutter. And again. And now a camera with a motor drive. And that's a car alarm. And now the sounds of foresters and their chainsaws working nearby.
Each individual bird has a different repertoire, of course it does, you know, although certain noises do recur.